Hello everyone, this video is for standard 8. In the previous video for standard 8, we had learned the process of finding the square by column method and diagonal method. Now in this video, we are going to use those methods only to solve questions of this chapter. So before seeing this video, just have a look of that video. Its link would be provided in the description box. Okay, so let's begin. Exercise 3c. Let's read the first question, which says that find the value of each of the following using the column method. Okay, we have to use column method and we have to find the square of this. So column method is very simple. For column method, that is, we have to find the square of 23 here. Here a would be 2 and b would be 3. Okay, and remember you have to use this formula, that is a square plus b a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also very simple. And while calculating a square, 2ab or b square, you just have to write keep in your keep one's place, and the rest would be transferred to the other column and would be added to that column. Okay, keep in your mind, you just have to add the carry to the next column. Okay, so let's begin. What we need, um, we are using column method. So a is what? A is not visible, I'm writing here. Okay, a equals 0, sorry 2. So now a square 2ab b square. B square means what? B is 3, so 3 square. 3 square means what? 9. 2ab. 2ab means 2 multiplied by a, which is 2, and then b, which is 3, and a square means 2 square. Okay, so 3 square gives 9. It doesn't have any other digit, so we don't need to add anything in the next column. Now let's come to the next column, that is 2ab. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. As the carry here is a 0, that's why 0 is written here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 0 when added to it becomes 12 only. So we need to keep just 2 here, and rest, that is 1, would be added to the next column. A square is 2 square, which is 4, and the one which was not taken here would be added to this column, and it is equal to 5. So the square is what? 5 of this column, 2 of this column, and 9 of this column. Okay, this 5, this 2, and this 9, that is 23 square equals 529. That's it. In the same way, you have to solve question 2, 3 and 4. I'm showing you the solutions. Just have a glance of it. You have to suppose a and b, and then you have to solve. Okay, now the next method, which is diagonal method. We have to find the square of the number by diagonal method. This is also very simple. You have to make square, and you have to make You have to convert squares into boxes and then sub boxes. Let's see. In this way you have to make the square. 60 and 67 square you have to find. So 1 6 and 7 is written here, and 6 and 67 is written here, 67 is written here. And remember, you have to keep the write the product of numbers in this way. See, my product of 6 and 6 would be written in this, product of 7 and 6, these two, remember these and this, the product of which I'm making a square and showing you. That's it. AB, suppose 67 or AB, A and B. Okay, so A into A would be written in this, A into B in this, A into B in this, and then B into B in this. That's it. You have to write the ones place value here and the other digits here. Take a ones place in the lower sub box and other digits in the higher sub box. That's it. Keep in your mind, and let's see. 6 multiplied by 6 is what? 36. I have told you that the ones place is written in the lower sub box and other is in the upper sub box. Similarly, 7 6 42, which is written in the same way, true in the ones place in the lower sub box, other in the higher one. 6 multiplied by 7, again 42, and 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. That's it. And now you have found the product, and now you need to add these things in the diagonal way. Okay, this will be added. Okay, so let's find the sum is already found. I'm just explaining you. 9, as we don't have to add any number to 9, so 9 is directly written. Now the sum of 2 4 and 2 is 8. 2 4 6, 6 to 8. And now a sum of 4 6 and 4 is 4 6 10, 10 4 14. Okay, so 14 is the sum. We cannot write what digits here, we just have to write the 4 here, and 1 which is carry we have to add it in the next box. 3 is not added to any number. The sum is 3 and this carry is added here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 has been written here. Now you have these numbers, and this is only the square of 67, like this. That is 4 4 and 8 9. Okay, that's it. In the same way you have to solve other questions also. 6 also you have to solve in the same way. I'm explaining now 7th, because 6 it's similar to this. 6 is also a two digit number, which is where you have to find by the diagonal method. Now I'm explaining 7 to you. Here the bigger square or the biggest square can be is to be divided by in 9 boxes. Okay, and then again those 9 boxes would be divided in the sub boxes. You just have to divide them diagonally. Okay, like it has been done here. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 itself, so one's place you have to write in the lower box, as it doesn't have any second digit, so 0 would be written in the other box. Now 1 into 3 is 3 itself. Other places, other box or the higher sub box is contained by 0 or filled by 0, because it doesn't have any other value. 1 into 7 7. Now 1 multiplied by 3, this 3 is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 9. 7 multiplied by 3 21. 1 in the lower, 1's in the One's placed in the lower sub box and other digits in the higher one. Similarly, 1 multiplied by 7 gives 7. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. That's it. And now what we need to do? We need to add them diagonally. 9, sum is 9. This sum is 6, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. And now this sum, 7 to 9 and 9, 18. And 18 and 9 again, 27. The carry is what? 2 is the carry here, remember. The sum is not 7, the sum is 27 actually, but the carry has been, or the ones place only is taken here, and the other digits are added to the next box. Now 3 and 3, rest are 0, so we cannot 0 cannot change the value of the sum. 3 plus 3 is 6, and this carry 2 is added, then it becomes 8. Now again 1, it doesn't have any carry to be added, so only 1. And in the next box there is just 0, we don't need to add anything. So the square of 137 is what? 9, 6, 7, 8 and 1. That's it. This is the square. Okay, you have to solve 8th number yourself. It has already been solved here. You just try to do it yourself. If you don't understand, then you have to see the solution. Okay, that's it. Do this chapter in a copy in a proper way. Thank you everyone.